Guys, this is the Google Pixel 3 XL phone that I bought in 2019. The main reason for buying this phone was the camera, which is an excellent shooter when it works. This has got a single lens, as you can see in the back. Off late, from the past year or so, I've been facing issues with the camera. So whenever I turn on the flash, as you can see over here, if I were to turn on the flash and if I were to click a photo, as soon as the photo was clicked, it used to reboot. Basically it used to hang. And the other thing that used to happen was whenever I used to record video in normal 1080p quality, it used to reboot again after a certain amount of time. This wasn't the case a couple of years ago. Probably the recent updates that have been installed, they were causing issues. So I tried to fix it. I tried obviously this being out of warranty, I was not able to get any support from Google tech support, and also for this particular model has stopped receiving any sort of security updates. So I don't expect Google to fix this camera. It would be good if they do, but they haven't. I don't think they will, because this is an older version of the Pixel series. I tried, I went ahead and checked multiple forums wherein similar issues were being faced by the other people who had bought this phone, and they said that doing a factory reset is the best possible option. Some cited that the battery might have gone bad, but I did the factory reset. That was the first thing that I did. That did not help. I mean, as soon as I installed the latest version of Google Pixel, the Google camera, the same issue started popping up again. The second thing was with regards to the battery. I checked using some apps. I checked the battery life, and the battery life was good. So definitely there was no need to open up the phone and replace it. The third and the easiest option of them all was, in fact, this should have been the first option, was to go ahead and uninstall the latest update which was installed on the Google camera. So you just need to open up the App Store and look for Google Camera, search for Google Camera. Over here you would see the option to uninstall. So you would be having the latest version of this Google Camera installed on your phone. You just need to go ahead and click uninstall. So you would be by doing so you would be uninstalling all the updates to the Android system app. So you just need to go ahead and uninstall it, and it barely takes seconds to go ahead and uninstall it. So after this, it's sort of it is working for me. Even with the there would be you would be getting multiple options to that. There is a latest software version available. So don't go just ignore it for the moment. Just check if the camera works with the flash on. Try record videos at 1080p and for extended duration of time. It should not make the phone go berserk. It should be fine, because this is a camera phone. I refer it to it as the camera phone, and the camera itself is causing problem is quite a shame. So this thing worked for me. Try uninstalling the latest updates, and hopefully that should be a temporary fix, because until Google updates its software, and hopefully after that it should be working fine as it was intended to. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and if there is a solution that you are aware of which does not involve tearing the phone apart, please do let me know as well. Thank you, and goodbye for now.